is Google Pixel. I just give you the introduction for this mobile and specifications what we have. Here we have a SIM insert and headset port and the fingerprint and the camera with flash. Here we have charging port and speakers. For this mobile we have a 3D touch option also. It's a keypad. It's a 5.5-inch display with 1080 into 1920 pixels. It's a resolution, and the 12 megapixel camera with 4 GB RAM. Battery backup is 2700 770 mAh, 2770 mAh, and the mobile weight is 143 grams. Here we have a 3D touch option with Gorilla Glass front and back. We have option for this mobile, and I just open the camera. You can see here the settings what we have in the camera. It's a 12 megapixel, and the processor is quad-core processor 2.15 gigahertz, and the Android version is 7.1. We have internal memory 32 GB and 128 GB with 4 GB RAM. We don't have any code insert, and the secondary camera is 8 megapixels, same as in Google Pixel XL also. We have same the camera options. Yeah, you can see here, and we have a 3D touch option for this mobile. It's a 5-inch display with the PPI 441 PPI pixels.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరబాబు లేదంటే
గెలికినాము మనం
ఫోన్లే సార్ నేను ఏం ఆగి
మీద పై రైట్ పై